A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern North Carolina. Severe thunderstorm watch number 526 has been extended until 9 p.m. Eastern. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, Clay County in southwestern North Carolina, southeastern Monroe County in East Tennessee, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Andrews, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Andrews, Murphy, Hayesville, Nantahala Lake, Shooting Creek, Tusquany, Topton, Marble, and Browstown. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorm watch number 526.